Hi kids, how are you today? Now we have reading lesson from the Reading Way book. Open your book on page 148, lesson 21. The title of our story for today is Beep, Beep. Now we will read the long E vowel words. Beep, jeep, seat, neat, street, clean, keep, see, wheel, need. Beep, beep. There is a jeep. It is on the street. Street, street, street. The jeep goes. Beep, beep, beep. Can you see the jeep? See, see, see. It has 4 wheels. Wheel, wheel, wheel. It has 4 seats inside. Seat, seat, seat. The car is very neat. Neat, neat, neat. We need to keep the car clean. Clean, clean, clean. We will keep the clean car parked on the street. Keep, keep, keep. Now we will read the sight words. There is, it is, on, the, you, the, it has, inside, the is, very, we, to, the, we will, the, on, the.